In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bold text on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy, guys, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram, hit that plus sign and there select post. Now you can add to that post some photo or video. I'll select that one and hit next. And now there I can add some filter, and here I can add there some caption to this text. I can write there something, but there is no option to bold this text. And to be able to make a text bold, all you have to do is go to your Safari browser and open up the website lingojam.com. And basically you can go to Google and enter bold letters on Instagram, and lingojam.com is here on the first place. And now there you can enter here at the first field normal text like hello, and in that field you can select other different fonts of the text, including bold text. And here you can double tap on the text, then copy that, go back to Instagram and paste the text right there. As you see, this text now is bold. And now you can continue creating that post as you normally would. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.